This one is going to be a really quick update. I'm going to do a quick run through on Jasmy Coin because it's a follow on from the yesterday's video and the day before, because we have got a lot of Jasmy following. We've got a lot of questions in the comments, so we are building a bit of a Jasmy army. One thing you get from me, guys, is realism. If I think the price is going down, I'm going to tell you the price is going down. If I think the price is going up, I'm going to tell you the price is going up. It doesn't mean that that's going to happen, guys. It is just analysis. It's probabilities based on previous data that we look collectively to try and get probabilities of what's likely to happen going forward. And that's what's likely to happen going forward. We'd said this was the strong key support, guys. Our new support, which was previous resistance on Jasmy, 0.015 to 0.016. Now, yesterday, look what happened. During the video, guys, we were dropping this key level. This was an important level. And what happened on the back of yesterday, guys, was the bears push price all the way down to 0.01438, which, taken out this previous support zone, that would have acted as resistance if we closed below that level. But look what the bulls done yesterday. Bulls met the bears with that kind of reaction, which pushed price back up to our support zone. So we're holding support now, guys. And what we can do is just add in simple trend line on Jasmy. When you've broken that trend line, guys, what happens? You break a trend, you crack to the upside. Break a trend, you crack to the upside. So we need to understand when the bulls have got momentum. When have the bulls got momentum? When we crack this trend. That's what we're waiting for. Once you've cracked trend, you understand that the low is probably in. It's a high probability that the low's in. And then you can look for projections going forward and extension levels rather than waiting for pullbacks, guys. So the aim of the game is waiting for the break, guys. We've pulled back. We went below our support zone. The bulls managed to push price action back up. There was lots of buy orders at this level. We could tell there was lots of buy orders at this level. This wick represented, telling us that that was the case. So we got a big buy up. That was positive, followed by a green candle today. We've got FOMC today, guys, and this is going to be the big thing, because is he going to be hawkish? Is he going to be dovish? What kind of sentiment are we going to get to drive the markets forward? Is the S&P going to recover? Traditional markets going to recover? What impact is it going to have on crypto, guys? All of these questions are going to be answered on FOMC. He's going to give a hint, or he's going to give an indication. And he might not actually tell you out blank, guys, but he'll give an indication. The market will interpret what it is that he's saying, and then it will build it in. So hopefully we'll get a bit of dovish news on the back of his speech, guys. If we do get a bit of dovish news, expect push up and break a trend on Jasmy Coin. That's what we're waiting for, guys. It was a bit of an emergency update. You guys keep asking me in the comments to cover Jasmy Coin. Keep asking. I'll keep showing it. So that's it from me for now for today. Take care of yourselves, and goodbye from me.